Hello friends, in this class we are going to solve a question paper, the previous year question paper, PYQ. Okay, this is mathematics code 0580 oblique 11, paper 1 code, mathematics 058011, paper 1 code, May June 2024. Time is 1 hour. So we are going to solve the whole paper. Okay, this is Cambridge Assessment International Education, Cambridge IGCSE 0580 oblique 11, 11. Okay, so this question is, first question is, write 0.8 as a fraction. So how will you write 0.8? This will convert in terms of fraction. So this we can convert it as 8 upon 10. Then we can cut it 4 and this is 5. So in fraction, 0.8 can be written as 4 upon 5. Correct answer. Write 28% as a decimal, means 28 divided by 100. So what will be the answer? 0.28. Okay. So this is for the first question and this is for the second question. Okay. Now write 4876 correct to the nearest 100. So this is 4, 8, 7 and 6. This is unit place. This is unit. This is tenth and this is hundreds. So we have to write to the nearest 100. So it means after this, after 8, all the digits should be 0. But before that, we have to see the digit coming next to the hundreds place. So after it, 7 is coming. And 7 is greater than equal to 5. So this 8 will be up by 1. Okay. So this will become 4900. 4900. This is the correct answer. Okay. So if the question is right, 4876 correct to the nearest 100. So it will be 4900. Measure the length of line AB in millimeters. So this is a measurement question. So you can measure it and write it in millimeters. You can measure it from this scale. Now come to the third question. The travel graph shows the journey of a bus. So on y-axis, distance in kilometer, and on x-axis, time is given. Okay. This is the time, 14 hours, 14:30 hours, 15 hours, 15:30 hours, and 16 hours. So find the distance the bus travels in the first 50 minutes. So first of all, we'll see grid. So what we see here, this is 14, between 14 and 14:30. How many grids are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. It means each block, each grid is for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is 10, 10, 10. Okay, again 10, 10, 10. So it is asking find the distance the bus travels in the first 50 minutes. So this is 30 minutes, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. So this is the point. So now this point cuts here. Okay. This is the 50 minutes. Why? Because this is 14:50. After 50 minutes, the time will be 14:50. So this is the place of 14:50. And then this is the place where the distance. So now you measure this distance. So it means it is 10. Okay. This. It means the distance traveled by bus in the first 50 minutes is 10 kilometers. So we'll write 10. Next question. Find how long in minutes the bus is stationary. So from 14 to 15, the bus is traveling. That is why distance is increasing. But from 15 to 1540, this is 1540. This is 15. This point is 1540. Because each block, each grid is for 10 minutes, 15, 30, 40, 50, and then 16. So from 15 to 1540, the bus is stationary. Why it is stationary? Because the distance is not changing. Okay. So for find how long in minutes the bus is stationary? 40 minutes. So our answer will be 40 minutes. Next, write down the order of rotational symmetry of a rhombus. So the rhombus is having the rotational symmetry of 2, order 2. So we'll write here 2. The diagram shows a shape on 1 centimeter square grid. Find the area of this shape. We have to find the area of this shape. Okay. So we can convert it in a rectangle. Just we can divide in two parts. So this forms a rectangle, and then this is the triangle. So for this rectangle part, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 1 and 2. It means the area of the rectangle is 5 into 2. Area of this rectangle is, because already we know that what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Okay. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to what? Length into breadth into breadth. L into B, length into breadth. So what is L here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the breadth here? 1, 2, 2. That is 10. 10 centimeters square. And now we have to find this area. So this is a rectangle. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. So we can find the area of the triangle. So what is the area of the triangle? Half into base into height. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Okay. Half. What is the base? 1, 2, 3, 4. So into 4. And what is the height? This is the height. 1. 1 unit is the height. Okay. This is 4. And this is 1. This is 1. So into 1. 2 to 4. So it's equal to 2 centimeters square. So what is the total area? 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12 centimeter square. This is the correct answer. Okay. Now work out 28 minus 16 divided by 2. So already we know that. First of all, what we do? Division. Okay. We'll do the division first. As per the rule, because the rules is first of all first of all of, then division, then multiplication. Okay. Then subtraction or addition, it can be any, no problem. So division comes first, so we'll divide first. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. So 28 minus 8. So that is 20. So our answer will be 20. Okay. Now find the reciprocal of 4, 5. 4 by 5. Reciprocal means just reverse. So this will be 5 by 4. Next. The temperature on Monday is minus 27 degrees Celsius. The temperature on Tuesday is 15 degrees Celsius higher than on Monday. Okay. So Monday temperature is minus 27. Tuesday temperature is 15 degree Celsius higher. Okay. So what you will do? Minus 27 plus 15. This will give you minus 12. Okay. So answer will be minus 12 degree. Minus 12 degree Celsius. Next. Draw all the lines of symmetry on the shape. Okay. So only there will be one line of symmetry. Two line of symmetry. two lines of symmetry. Two lines of symmetry. Okay, two lines of symmetry. Then the diagram shows two sides of a parallelogram ABCD. Find the coordinates of point B. Okay. So from B to C, what is the shift? It is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units right and 2 units up. Similarly, for A also, the D will be 4 units right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2. This. Okay. So this is your D point. What is the coordinate of D now? See, the X coordinate is -3 and Y coordinate is 7. So -3 and 7, isn't it? See, this is 7 and this is -3. So -3, 7 is the coordinate of point D. So -3, 7. It is a 2 marks question. Now, find the total surface area of this cube Y is 369 centimeter square. So length is 15, breadth is 6, and height is h. So already we know that. What is the formula of the total surface area? 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. Okay. So 2, what is the total surface area? 369. So we write here 369 equal to 2 into L into B, 15 into 6, plus length into height. So 15 into H, plus B is what? 6 into H. Okay. So this will be 369 equal to 15, 6 ja 90. 90 into 2, 180, plus 30H plus 12H. Okay, 30 plus 12 is 42, and this 180 will come this side. So 369 minus 180 equal to 30 plus 12, 42H. So this will be 369 minus 180. And you will subtract 369 minus 180. So you will get 9, 8, and again 1. Okay, 189. It means 42H is equal to 189. So H is equal to what? 189 upon 42. Okay. Both the numbers are divisible by 3. So this will be 14 and this will be 63 by 14. So you can write this is 63 by 14 centimeter. Okay. You can write in decimal also, no problem. Decimal it will be this will be cut by 7, isn't it? 7 2 ja and 7 9 ja. So 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 means what? 4.5 centimeter. So H is equal to 4.5 centimeter. This is your answer. Okay. We'll go to the next problem. Geeta has a box of toys. She picks a toy at random from the box. The probability that she picks a wooden toy is 0.6. So work out the probability that she does not pick a wooden toy. So it will be 1 minus 0.6. Total probability is equal to what? 1. So 1 minus 0.6 is equal to 0.4. The box contains 3 types of toys: wooden, plastic and metal. Now plastic and metal are having the equal number of twice, and this total makes 0.4 probability. It means this is the probability of plastic twice is 0.2 and probability of metal twice is also 0.2. Okay. If 0.2 is 14, then 0.6 is equal to what? 3 times of it. So this will be 42. Okay, done. This is also done. Next. The table shows some information about two sequences. Sequence A, 60 minus 4n. So find the fifth term. So fifth term we can find in by putting n is equal to 5. So 60 minus 4 into 5. So 60 minus 20 is equal to 40. The fifth term will be 40. This is sequence B, n square minus 3n. Again, fifth term. So in place of n, we'll put here, in place of n, we'll put 5. So 5 square minus 3 as well. Means 5 square is equal to what? 25 minus 300 is equal to minus 275. So we write it here, minus 275. Correct? Now, next question. Find the coordinates of the point where the line y is equal to 3x minus 5 crosses the y-axis. Crosses the y-axis means what? Means on y-axis, the value of all x coordinate is equal to 0. So put x equal to 0 in this equation. So y is equal to 3 into 0 minus 5. This will give y is equal to minus 5. So x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is minus 5. So x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is minus 5. That's all. Next problem. By writing each number in the calculation correct to one significant figure, find an estimate for the value of 28.2 minus 5.6 upon 4.2 into 1.68. So you must show all your workings. So 28.2. This number we have to write up to only one significant figure. So this will become 30 because 28.2. How many significant figures are here? 3. But we require only one. Okay, it means this only we have to concentrate on this. So because after 2, 8 has come. So this number will be up by 1. So this will become 3. And after that, all digits will be 0. Okay, so because it is point, so only you write 0, 30. It is a decimal number. Now in 30, what is the number of significant figures? 1. Significant figure is equal to 1. Correct. So this will write it as 30 minus 5.6. Again, 5.6, we have to write only one significant figure. So this 5.6 is having two significant figures. So we don't require it. So what we will do, because this is 6 and 6 is greater than equal to 5. So this number will be up by 1. So we'll write it 6. 6 is also having significant figure is equal to 1. So 30 minus 6 upon 4.2. Now 4.2. So because this 2 is less than 5, so this 4 will remain as it is. So this will write in 4. Okay. So significant figure for the first number is equal to 30. Means with one significant figure. The second number 5.6 will become 6. The third number will become 4. Okay. So now we'll write here 4 multiplied by 1.68 because it is 1.68. 1.68. We have to concentrate on this. Now this 6 is greater than 5, greater than equal to 5. So this will be up by 1. So this will be 2. Okay, so 2 is the number which is having one significant figure. So it is 2. So 30 minus 6 is equal to what? 24. 4 to the 8. When we will cut it, we will get it 3. So this will be answer will be 3. And we have shown all working also. Okay. So you also have to do the same thing in examination. You don't have to solve the problem by shortcut. You have to write the proper steps. Now this you have to factorize completely. So this is 36 square plus 40x. So what we can take common here? We can take 4 common here because 36 and 40 both comes in the table of 4. So we can take 4 common, and x is also in both the terms. So 4x we can take common. So what is left now? 9x plus 10. Okay. So this is the factor. Factorize completely. So 4x into 9x plus 10. When we will multiply, we will get the same thing. 4x into 9x, 36x square. 4x into 10, 40x. Okay, you can uh, check it by doing in reverse way. Now, next problem. The diagram shows a rectangle with length 3x minus 12 and width x plus 7. Find an expression for the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle means the opposite sides are equal. So x plus 7 here also and 3x minus 12 here also. It means you have to add all these perimeter. So this we can write 2 into 3x minus 2 plus 2 into x plus 7. So this will become 6x minus 4 plus 2x plus 7 to the 14. So 6x plus 2x is equal to 8x. And 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. Okay. So this is your 8x plus 10 is the perimeter. Perimeter is the sum of all the sides. Okay. Next, the diagram shows a circle centered O. P lies on the circle. So write down the mathematical name of the line OP. So OP is called the radius, isn't it? Radius. And draw a tangent to the circle at P. Tangent means the line which goes touching P. So in exam, you do carefully and here drawing it properly. This is your tangent. This should be a straight. Okay. This line should be a straight. So this is the tangent. Okay, tangent at P. Next, find the greatest odd number that is a factor of 140. So we write the factor of 140. Factor of 140. 140 can be divided by 2. So write 2 into 70 we can write. The same number we can write 2 into 2 into 35 also. Now we can write 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. Isn't it? Okay. So this will give you 140. Now we'll factorize 210 also, 210 also, 210. Again 2 into 105. This we can write 2 into 3 into 35. This we can write 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So the greatest odd number, that is a factor of. So there are two odd numbers which are common, isn't it? 5 and 7. But which one is the greatest? 7. So 7. Answer will be 7. This is a factor of 140 and uh, greatest odd number, that is a factor of 140 and uh, a factor of 210 also. So it will not, this will be 5 into 7 actually. 5, because here also 5 is there, here also 5 is there. So when you will multiply 5 by 7, you will get 35. So 35 is the greatest odd number, which is the factor of 140 and 210 both. Because when you will when will divide this 140 and 210, both can be divided by 35. So 35 is the greatest odd number. Next, this is cube root of 343. Cube root of 343 is equal to what? That is, you can use the calculator, that is 7. And when you will take the square root of 40.96, we are getting 6.4. You can check by calculator. So what we are getting? 7 minus 6.4 is equal to 0.6. So here you can write this answer is 0.6. Okay, now we have to solve this one. 192 plus 4 into 16, and then power is 1.25. So 1.25 means what? 5 by 4, isn't it? So we'll write in that form. So this 4 into 16 is equal to 64. So 192 plus 64 to the power 5 by 4. So 192 plus 64 is equal to what? 256. Yes, 256 to the power 5 by 4. Now see, 256. 256 is a power of 2. Which power of 2? 2 square is 4. 2 cube is equal to 8. And 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. 2 to the power 6 is equal to 64. And 2 to the power 7 is equal to 128. And 2 to the power 8 is equal to 256. So 2 to the power 8. So we can write 2 to the power 8 into 5 by 4. 4 is 8. So this becomes 2 to the power 10. 2 to the power 10 is equal to 1024. Okay, you can check, isn't it? These powers actually, you can use the calculator also, but you should remember also because these are not the very big numbers. Okay. Next problem. Find the value of 137 to the power 0. Any number, remember, any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. So 137. Okay, 137 to the power 0 equal to 1. Whatever be the number. Okay, if the power is 0, it means it will come, its answer will be 1. Now here 7 to the power 12 divided by 7 to the power p is equal to 17. So this we can write it as 7 to the power 12 divided by 7 to the power p is equal to 7 to the power 17. Isn't it? So now what you can do by cross multiplication, or you can write 7 to the power 12 minus p is equal to 7 to the power 17. So equate both the sides. Means 12 minus p is equal to 17. It means p is equal to 12 minus 17. Means p is equal to minus 5. So our answer will be p is equal to minus 5. P is equal to minus 5. This is our answer. Okay? This is answer. This is also our answer of the previous questions. This is also our correct answer. Okay? So just I am making a block around the answer, correct answer, so that you should not get confused. Next problem. Calculate 1.827 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 9,000. Give your answer in standard form. Okay. So this we can write it as 1.827 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 9,000. This 9,000 we can write 9 into 10 to the power 3. Okay. So now this 10 to the this 1.827 upon 9. So first of all, when this power will come up, then this will become 1.827 into 10 to the power 3 upon 9. Now we want to divide it. So what better we can do? We can take 110 from here. So it will be 118.27 upon 9 into 10 to the power 4. Now divide it. So this will be 9 to the 2.03, isn't it? 2.03 into 10 to the power. Okay. You can take the help of calculator if it is allowed. So this is 18.27 divided by 9. This will give you 2.03 into 10 to the power 2. So now this is the correct form. This is called the standard form or scientific notation. So answer will be 2.03 into 10 to the power. Okay. Next, we have to solve this. Solve these simultaneous equations. You must show all your working. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So what we see here plus 2y is there, here minus 4y is there. So what we can do? We can multiply equation 1 by 2 and add it. Then 4y will be cancelled. Multiplying equation 1 by 2 and adding in equation 2. So when we multiply by 2, it means it is 6x plus 2y is equal to 29. So you are multiplying it by 2. So whole you are multiplying by 2, remember. And this is 3x minus. So what it will become? This will become, and this is 3x minus 4y is equal to 17. This we can write it as 2 6 ja 12x plus 2 2 ja 4y, 29 2 ja 58, and then it is 3x minus 4y is equal to 17. This 4, now because we are adding, so this 4y cancel. So 12x plus 3x, 15x, and this is 58 plus 17 is equal to what? 75. So this is 15x and this is 75. So x is equal to 75 upon 15 means this will give you x is equal to 5. Okay, x is equal to 5. Now put the value of x here. So, okay, we'll put it in equation 2. Then 3 into from equation 2. We are putting the value. So 3 into 5, 15 minus 4y is equal to 17. Okay, so this we can write it as 50 will go to that side. So 4y is equal to 17 minus 15. That is 2. So y is equal to 2 upon minus 4. That is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. So y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. So this is our answer. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Correct? You can check also, isn't it? Just I'm checking it by putting it in one. So 6 into 5, 30, plus 2 into y is equal to what? Minus 1 by 2. So this will give 30 minus 1 is equal to 29. Yes, it's correct. Okay. So what we got? We got answer is equal to x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Change 9.6 kilometer per hour into meter per second. So I'll be writing here 9.6 kilometer per hour. So in 1 kilometer, how many meters? 1,000. So 1,000. Now this will meter upon in 1 hour, how many seconds? So in 1 hour, 60 minutes, and in 1 minute, 60 seconds. So 60 into 60 seconds. Now 2 zeros will be cancelled. Okay. Now 9.6 into 10, that is 96. Upon 6, 6 are 36. Okay. So this can be cut by 6. 6, 6 are 36. And this is 6, 1, 16, 16, 6 are. This will be cut by 2. 2, 3 ja and 2, 8 ja. Means 8 by 3. So we'll write 8 by 3 meter per second. So that is equal to 8 by 3 meter per second. This is your answer. Isn't it? 8 by 3 is your correct answer. Next, these are the first high terms of a sequence. Find an expression for the nth term of the sequence. Because what is the common difference here? 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 7, 25, 25 plus 7, 32, 32 plus 7, 39. But we have write in the terms of n. So we can write it as, because the difference is 7. So we can write 4 plus 7n. Now you can check. When we'll put n is equal to 1, so we'll get, means n is equal to 1 means first term. So 4 plus 7, 11. Now we are finding second term. So 7 into 2, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. If we are interested in finding the third term, so 7 into 3, 21. 21 plus 4, 25. Yes, it's correct. So that is 4 plus 7n is the correct answer. Okay. So n gives the term number, isn't it? When we put n is equal to 1, means this is the first term. N is equal to 2 means second term. So our answer should be in that form. Okay. Now the diagram shows a shape made from a triangle JKL and a semicircle with diameter J. JL is the diameter. So if diameter is 12.8, then what is the radius? Radius is the half of the diameter. Radius is equal to d by 2, isn't it? So radius will be 12.8 upon 2. That is 6.4. 6.4 centimeter. Okay. Now JK is the isosceles right angle triangle with JK is okay. Now this 12.8, 12.8. So we have to find the area. So first of all, we can find the area of this portion. So area of this portion means area of KJL. Area of triangle. Okay. Area of triangle KJL. So how much it is? Half into base into height. So half into 12.8 into 12.8. Isn't it? So this will be 6.4. So 6.4 into 12.8. This is area. Now we can find the area of this semicircle also. So area of a circle is pi r square and area of the semicircle is half pi r square. Okay. Area of semicircle is equal to pi r square by 2. Pi is equal to 22 upon 7. R is equal to 6.4 square divided by 2. Okay. We can use the calculator. Just a minute. So 6.4 multiplied by 12.8. So this area we are getting 81.92. Okay. It is in centimeters, so it will be centimeter square. This area will get this we can write 11. So we can write 6.4 square, 6.4 into 6.4 into 11. So that comes as 450.56 divided by 2, 225. Okay, pi r square by 2, 6.4 square. Okay, so this we are getting 225.28. Okay, so now we'll add this. The total area is equal to what? 81.92. That is the area of the triangle, isosceles triangle, and 225.28 is the area of the semicircle. So when will you add it, then we'll get 81.92. That is 307.2. We will write 307.2. This is our correct answer. And the units will be centimeter square. Okay. So calculate the area of this shape we already found. Now come to the next part. Calculate the perimeter of this shape. Perimeter of this shape. So here you can write 307.2 centimeter square. Perimeter the means you have to add all the sides. Correct. So if this is 12 this is 12.8, this is 12.8, so we can find this one. So we can find, first of all, we find the KL. We can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So KL is equal to 12.8 square plus 12.8 square and take the root. Okay. So we'll find it 12.8 square. We'll take the help of the calculator. 12.8, 163.84 plus 163.84. Take the square root. Okay. So 163.84 plus 163.84, 327.68. Okay. So take the square root of that. So this comes as 327.68 and a square root. So square root of 327.68. That gives 18.10. Means 18.1 you can take. Okay, 18.1. And now we have to find the perimeter of the semicircle also. The perimeter of the semicircle is pi r. 2 pi r is the perimeter of the complete circle, and pi r is the perimeter of the half circle, means semicircle. So that is pi r. Perimeter of semicircle. You can write here. Perimeter of semicircle. Pi is equal to what? 22 upon 7. Multiplied by r is equal to what? 6.4. Okay, we calculate it, how much we are getting. So 22 multiplied by 6.4 divided by 7. So we are getting 20.11 or 20.1 we can take. Okay. So now we have to find the perimeter of the whole shape. Okay. The perimeter of the shape. Perimeter. We'll add all 18.1 plus 12.8 plus 20.1. Okay. We'll add it. So we'll add this 18.1 plus 12.8 plus 20.1. Okay, we are getting 51. So we can write here 51 centimeter. 51 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of the shape, the given shape. Okay, the perimeter of the given shape is equal to 51 centimeter and area is equal to 307.2 centimeter square. And that is 51 centimeter. Okay, so now this paper is solved. Okay, in next class, we'll take another paper and we'll solve it. Okay.